So this is how the switch looked when you take it out, or this is the old one actually. And it's not easy to replace. It's not easy to get to this nut and install it back. And it's supposed to have two nuts, and this has to be adjusted to the brake pedal perfectly so the lights will work properly. But this is what you're gonna deal with, this little switch. Okay, YouTubers, this is gonna be how in a speedway how to change the brake light switch on Hyundai Entourage. Okay, so watch me now how you get in here. It is located on the brake pedal right by the steering. So first remove this part here somehow, and it's not going. Okay. And we would like to keep this piece. Well, we get him later. Number one. Number two, unscrew these screws. Three of these right here. Number three, unscrew these screws. Three of these on the bottom. Okay, now pull this cover off, just like that. Now carefully on this side. Okay, got it. Unplug these switches. Now a little bit tidy. Tidy. Damn it. There is a lock on it that you have to push in, which I am pushing. Still not coming out. Okay. Now we have this part here off. We have this part here off. Now we gotta undo this metal piece here. And I believe that will be the number 10. Where is the number 10? Nope. It will be something else. Oh, yes, it is number 10. 1. Two. And 3. Now we got this part off. Now this one here is gonna be another number 10. One, two. And now lift a little bit and pull off, because there is another 2 over here, Danny. Hello? Another 2 screws over here, but I cannot get to it, so I'm just going to pull this out, and now I can get inside here to replace the switch. Okay? I cannot get my camera underneath there, but you're gonna have to figure this part yourself. Check.